Would you believe me if I say that I made $200 in last 24 hours using Google Maps, that too using a Chrome extension?
Are you comedy me?
But guess what? I actually did. And in this video, I am sharing how I did it. 2000 likes on this video and I will do the same thing for 7 days in place of 24 hours and I will show you how much I made in total. So quickly smash that like button, and for more similar videos, you know what to do. What did I do to make money using Google Maps?
Good question. You are a good question.
Very simple. I used Google Maps to find prospective clients. And I did it because I wanted to offer them different services as per my expertise and their need. Do you need an example? Let's search for burgers in Sydney. Now, if you see this particular shop, they do not really have any website. So I can offer them web development services. I can build their website. I can help them with the content. I can help them with a lot of things. You might have seen it's a huge list of all the burger shops. So the ones who are not listed on the top can be offered SEO optimization services so that they can be listed somewhere in the top results. Got it? You must be thinking Google Maps, some search results, that's what you need. Why do you even need that Chrome extension? Honestly, don't use it. I am okay with that. But then you will have to be ready to spend 8 hours for the work which would normally take 15 minutes. Because if in case you are doing everything manual, you will have to go through each and every search result. You will have to see what exactly is what you would actually need, and then you will have to contact all those prospective clients, which is going to be a very tough manual work. So if you still don't want to use a Chrome extension, don't use it. But then let me quickly tell you what exactly this Chrome extension would do for you. This will automatically scrape all the details which you would normally search, and then it will prepare an Excel sheet which will make things very easy for you and fast as well. Don't worry, I'll show you how exactly you have to use it. So here are 5 things which you would need to get started with this work so that you can also start making money like I did. A laptop or a computer. Google Chrome installed on it. An amazing Chrome extension called Leads Sniper. An email written, and willingness to make money. As for the requirement, here is my laptop with Google Chrome installed on it. Now let's go to Lead Sniper. We will go to their website and download it quickly. I have included the download link for you all in the description of the video. But wait, if this is a Chrome extension, why is this not available on the web store? It is because that this tool is that awesome that the moment Google will come to know about it, they will immediately ban it. Just kidding. Honestly, even I don't know the answer. If in case you are looking for the answer, you can contact the support staff and ask this question. Anyways, here's a zip file which I have just downloaded. Let's extract it. Now open Google Chrome, settings, and extensions. Click on load unpacked and select the installation file folder. And we are done. Now since I have bought the lifetime license for Lead Sniper, I can have fun for life with no limitations at all. You will be on a trial when you install it, but you can also get your lifetime access as per your need. And here are the pricing details for you. Now let's start the action. I'm just going to open the tool, put my requirements. It will automatically process all the things. You really don't have to do anything. I would strongly suggest you not to touch your laptop when it is processing it. But just in case you want to run multiple prompts at the same time, you can open different tabs and you can do the same thing over and over again. And once this will end the processing, you will have the option of downloading the file and you can open it in the Excel sheet. We have a list of prospective clients now. What next? Very simple. We have to reach them now. This could be either through a call or through an email. Personally, I would always prefer an email over a call. Now, if you are someone who is very bad at drafting emails or is someone who is extremely lazy, you can use the AI tools like ChatGPT, which will draft an email for you as per your requirements. So give a proper prompt. Once you have the draft ready, make necessary changes so that you are customizing the email and start sending it to different prospective clients. Hold on, I need to share something very important for you. When you are sending all these emails, do not be that person who would put everyone in CC or BCC and send 50 or 100 emails at the same time. Don't do it. That won't work. You will also be marked as a spammer by Google or any other email hosting platform you're using. And ultimately, you will have zero conversions. I suggest you to spend some minutes on every single email you are sending, customize it, personalize it, mention their name, mention their business details, mention something which they can actually relate to, because that is going to have an extremely amazing level of conversion. I would strongly suggest you not to send more than 40, 45 or 50 emails in the entire day. In my case, I sent 37 emails and I received 3 replies from them. 2 of them said no, but that third one offered me the work. In my case, I offered them the service service of handling their social media posts because I really felt that they actually needed some more engagement. And honestly, my reason to offer this service was because I was looking to have the option of generating that monthly recurring income in place of just having that one-time amount. So now the $200 which I actually mentioned for 24 hours will actually be $200 every single month without me doing anything at all, apart from the work, of course. I would completely leave it to you on what services you would actually want to offer, but just make sure that you are very good at it. And in case you are good at nothing, you can always have the option of drop servicing, which means you can actually take the work and you can get it done by someone else. Now this could be locally, this could be using platforms like Fiverr, wherein what you would do is, say for example, you will take $100 work from a client, you will get it done by someone else at $50 and the remaining balance is all yours. The possibilities would definitely be endless, but using extensions like Lead Sniper will definitely make your work very easy. You will be able to generate a lot of leads. You will have a list of prospective clients to work on every single time. You can keep sending emails. You will have a lot of recurring income clients. And if in case you think that all of this makes sense, you can always visit their website using the link which I have mentioned in the description of the video. If in case you like this video, make sure you are giving it a big thumbs up before you leave and subscribe to Paisa Waisa if in case you haven't. I'll see you again in the next video. Till then, have a great time and take care.